FUBO stock analysis. This is Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. FUBO TV is sitting at $4.50, 12 point something percent down. Still, we have like an hour left until the market closes and whatnot. But I was in this area and range where if the price gave me a double break, I would have taken things up. And we never saw that break. Matter of fact, we kept going down. Now, that's nothing unusual here. The price is gonna go down, so like it's not like it's this big outlier. I mean, there's all these other ticker symbols that are also melting. Context have done 35,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. And relatively speaking, with FUBO TV, I'm not closing my mind to the bullish bias, because although like this still must break this high in order for me to count this as a bullish something. If I see like a lower time frame accumulation here, there's again nothing stopping me from taking longs here. And notice how like when I'm gonna long, only if my rules are met, of course. Like why would I force buys? You know, makes no sense to me, at least. This is obviously not financial advice, and please do your own due diligence. I'm just waiting for my Wyckoff accumulation. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.